12 Next-Level Survival Gear and Gadgets on Amazon 2025. Surviving in the wild or preparing for an emergency requires the right gear. With 2025 bringing in some advanced survival gadgets, staying prepared has never been easier or more high-tech. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just someone looking to be ready for anything life throws your way, the following survival gear on Amazon will give you the tools you need. From communication devices to life-saving essentials, let's dive into the top 12 next-level survival gadgets that you can't afford to miss. An American Red Cross Emergency Radio. When it comes to emergency situations, staying informed is crucial. The Eden American Red Cross Emergency Radio is a must-have gadget for any survival kit. This compact hand-crank radio not only receives AM, FM, and NOAA weather band channels, but it also has a built-in flashlight, a phone charger, and a USB output for powering devices. In an emergency where power and communication lines are down, this gadget could be the lifeline you need. The radio's durability is impressive, especially with its weather-resistant design. A standout feature is its ability to work without electricity. Whether you're in the middle of a storm or stranded in a remote location, this radio will keep you connected and safe. Garmin InReach Mini Satellite Communicator. When you're venturing off the grid, reliable communication is essential. The Garmin InReach Mini Satellite Communicator allows you to stay connected even in the most remote locations. This ultra-compact device provides two-way messaging via satellite, which is perfect for sending updates or calling for help when there's no cell service. Additionally, it has an SOS function that connects you directly to emergency responders. With its GPS navigation, you'll never feel lost, and it's incredibly easy to use. The device's battery life is also impressive, lasting for days on a single charge. While it's pricier than your typical communication device, the Garmin InReach Mini is an invaluable piece of survival gear, especially for solo adventurers or those in dangerous, isolated environments. Vaunt LED Lantern. When the power goes out, or you find yourself in the dark during a camping trip, the Vaunt LED Lantern is a lifesaver. This rugged, waterproof lantern provides 360-degree illumination, lighting up any area with ease. The LED technology ensures energy efficiency, so you can rely on it for up to 30 hours of light on a single set of batteries. It's made of durable materials that can withstand drops in rough conditions, making it perfect for outdoor survival. The lantern is lightweight and compact, so it's easy to pack and store without taking up much space in your gear. One issue is that it may not be as bright as some larger, more powerful lanterns, but it does a great job for smaller spaces or casual use. Anker PowerCore Portable Charger. Power is one thing that's easy to overlook when preparing for a survival situation, but in 2025, portable chargers like the Anker PowerCore are indispensable. With its massive capacity, the Anker PowerCore can charge multiple devices, including smartphones, tablets, and even small laptops. Its high-speed charging capability means you can quickly power up your essential devices, ensuring you stay connected and prepared. The charger is compact and lightweight, so it won't add unnecessary bulk to your kit, but it packs a punch in terms of power. Equitabs Water Purification Tablets. In a survival situation, access to clean water is often the most pressing concern. Equitabs Water Purification Tablets are a portable and effective solution to ensure that you can always have access to safe drinking water. These compact tablets are simple to use. Just drop them into a container of water, wait a few minutes, and you're good to go. They're small, lightweight, and easy to pack in any survival kit. Equitabs use iodine to neutralize harmful bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, providing an added layer of protection when clean water sources aren't available. However, they might leave a slight iodine taste in the water, which can be a turnoff for some users. Gerber Suspension Multi-Tool. A good multi-tool is one of the most versatile gadgets you can have in a survival situation, and the Gerber Suspension Multi-Tool is one of the best in 2025. With 12 tools packed into a compact and durable design, this multi-tool has everything from pliers and wire cutters to screwdrivers, knives, and bottle openers. The pliers are spring-loaded, making them easier to use with one hand, and the blades are made from high-quality stainless steel for durability. Its sleek design makes it easy to carry, and the tools lock in place so they won't fold back on you during use. One potential downside is that it's a bit heavier than some other multi-tools, so you'll need to weigh whether that's a concern based on your needs. ReadyMan Tactical Gear Cards. Tactical survival is all about being ready for any situation. and the Readyman Tactical Gear cards are designed to give you the edge in emergencies. These cards are essentially a compact survival kit in your wallet. Made of stainless steel, each card packs multiple survival tools, including a fire starter, a bottle opener, a wrench, and even a small saw. They're small enough to fit in your wallet or pocket, so you can have them on hand wherever you go. The idea behind these cards is that they're perfect for minimalist survivalists who want to keep their load light while still having essential tools on them at all times. Lifeline First Aid Kit. No survival kit is complete without a solid first aid kit, and the Lifeline First Aid Kit provides you with everything you need to treat minor injuries and illnesses in emergency situations. This kit includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, gloves, scissors, and a variety of other supplies to help with cuts, scrapes, and burns. It's compact, portable, and comes in a durable case that can withstand rough conditions. While it's ideal for outdoor adventures, it's also useful in emergency situations at home or on the road. But one thing to note is that it's designed for basic first aid, so if you're planning for more extreme situations, you might want to add extra items to the kit. Overall, the Lifeline First Aid Kit is a great starting point for keeping yourself safe in any environment. Moore Companion Knife. The Moore Companion Knife is one of the most popular and reliable survival knives available, and for good reason. This fixed-blade knife features a razor-sharp stainless steel blade that's perfect for a variety of tasks, from food preparation to kindling firewood. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, even when you're using it for extended periods. The knife is lightweight, but still strong enough to handle tough jobs, and its versatility makes it an excellent addition to any survival kit. One thing to consider is that the blade is fairly thin, so it may not be as durable for heavy-duty tasks like battening through thick logs, but for most survival needs, it's more than capable. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly knife, the Moore Companion is a solid option. Camping Cookware Set. If you plan on cooking during your outdoor adventures, a durable and lightweight camping cookware set is essential. This camping cookware set typically includes a pot, pan, and utensils, all made of durable materials like aluminum or titanium. They're designed to be compact and stackable, so they won't take up much space in your backpack. The cookware is lightweight and easy to clean, making it perfect for cooking meals over a campfire or portable stove. Some sets even include features like non-stick coatings and heat-resistant handles. Thermacell Mosquito Repellent. When you're out in nature, mosquitoes can quickly turn a relaxing trip into a miserable experience. The Thermacell Mosquito Repellent device offers an effective solution to this problem by creating a 15-foot zone of protection against mosquitoes. It works by releasing a repellent from a small mat that fits inside the device. This gadget is portable, easy to use, and doesn't require sprays or lotions on your skin, making it a convenient option for long hikes, camping trips, or backyard relaxation. The only downside is that it runs on butane cartridges, so you'll need to pack extra fuel if you're going on an extended trip. Nitecore Tactical Flashlight. When the sun goes down, having a reliable flashlight is essential, and the Nitecore Tactical Flashlight is one of the best survival lights available. This flashlight packs an impressive amount of brightness into a compact and durable design. With multiple brightness modes, it can be adjusted for everything from lighting up a large area to signaling for help. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's resistant to drops in harsh environments. The flashlight is also waterproof, making it ideal for survival in any weather condition. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.